Aiden Lavelle joins us this morning from European Green Transition. Aiden, EGT issued interim results for H1 2024 this morning. The key takeaways from H1 are the strong IPO fundraise and the encouraging developments at your Olserum asset. Tell me more about those.
Yeah, I suppose the key takeaway is that we listed on London AIM in April of this year. On the 8th of April, started trading. We had a very strong response to the IPO, oversubscribed and raised £6.5 million, and had very positive share price performance since then, which is excellent. One of the few companies that actually listed on AIM this year and performed well to date. And we've delivered some results from the Olserum project. We've done field work there, mapping, released some high-grade rock sample results, some metallurgical results, which shows that the mineralogy there can be processed routinely for rare earths. And also we started a drill program as well in August, and that has completed just in the past few weeks, in early September.
So far, so good. Your statement mentions the goal to monetize the Ulm Rare Earth Project in the near future, which, if successful, would allow us, you say, to redirect our focus and resources to more advanced revenue or near revenue stage opportunities in the green energy transition. Perhaps you could expand on that.
Yeah, our goal with Olserum was always to bring in a partner or monetize the project, and that was why we did that 1,500-meter low-cost drill program over the summer. And that was aimed at expanding the scale of the known mineralization to show district scale control. And we're very pleased with the preliminary observations from drill core, really strong alteration and good visual mineralization in almost all of the holes. So we believe that will sort of help sell the project and bring in partners when we get those assay results later in H2. And we've always signaled that the company wants to move towards more revenue generating opportunities. So we have several opportunities under review, and by monetizing Olserum, also the Pajala project in North Sweden, we will look to deploy the resources and our attention to identifying a revenue generating opportunity.
Now, the release also mentions encouraging preliminary sample results received from the copper tailings recycling project in Cyprus. How far along are you in the due diligence, and what is next for this asset?
Yeah, in July, we announced some very positive initial sample results from the Limni tailings recycling project in Cyprus. That's one of the options we announced early on post-IPO. What we're looking at there is potential to generate some near-term revenue from the tailings recycling by processing the water, which is very enriched in copper from that backfill pit. So we're looking at potentially putting in wells to extract the water and then re-inject it after it's been treated and the copper being extracted, which would be excellent for cleaning up the site as well. And there's also excellent solar power potential on that former mine site. So that's something that we're advancing. We're looking at the next stage of due diligence for that. We've been working with local consultants and also meeting stakeholders to move that project forward and see if the concept is a good one to actually generate revenue for the company.
So the interims cover the first half of this year, but what can we expect into the second half and beyond?
So for the second half, we are well funded. We have £4.9 million in the bank as of the end of June. And we're advancing the two options projects, conducting further due diligence on those. We have a capital light model, and we're also looking at other opportunities across the green energy transition. So we have several revenue generating opportunities under review, which is something we had always made clear about. And we also eagerly anticipate that the drill assays from Olserum at the end of the year or later in H2.
So plenty to look forward to. Aiden Lavelle, thanks for joining us this morning.
Thank you.